This is a question from section 1.8. I believe it is number 16. Yep, number 16. And this is a question that asks us to write a couple ordered pairs, then write the equation of a line. So let's take a look at this. The ordered pairs, you've correctly identified them. So you discover that a certain type of kayak for $400, if you sell that kind of kayak, then your sales per day average $5,300. So the first ordered pair is 400, 5,300, and then if the price is raised to 450, our sales fall to approximately 3,600. So we're going to write a linear function with those two ordered pairs. So we've had some difficulties in there. We're going to look at all the steps. I think you were having trouble with the intercept step, but we'll look at the slope step as well just to make sure everything's all right there. Okay, so in the slope step first, we're going to take our second y value, our final monetary value there, the 3,600 minus the initial, so minus the 5,300, and then second input value, the $450 for the kayak, minus first input value, the $400. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and simplify this, and I'm going to grab a calculator, and if I subtract 3,600 minus 5,300, that gives me negative 1,700, and this will be 50 on the bottom. 450 minus 400 is 50. And then we can simplify that division further, and that gives us the negative 34 for our slope. So you can see that that's the slope is going to be our coefficient of x. All right, so once we've done that first step, we know that our line is going to be in the form y equals mx plus b. And because I know m, I can substitute that in as negative 34x plus b. Now, I don't yet know b, and that's going to be our next goal. All right, so I'm going to copy this line and then paste it down here below. And then we're going to take one of our ordered pairs in for x and for y, and we're going to solve for b. Doesn't matter which ordered pair, pick either one of them. I'm going to go with the first one, say. In the first ordered pair, the y value is 5,300, and the x value is 400. So put 400 in there. All right. Now we can figure out what 400 times negative 34 is. Right, I'm going to just keep writing on a new line to preserve my work steps here. But 400 times negative 34 gives me negative 13,600. Okay, so then I would try to get rid of the negative 13,600 by adding 13,600 to both sides to solve for b, right? We're trying to isolate our b value to figure out what the b value is. So if I take 5,300 minus 13,600, that gives me 18,900 equals b. So I'm going to go back up to my equation, paste that here, and then I know the b value, so I can replace it now with 18,900. So this is what you should be doing to write the equation of your line. And as you can see that this matches with what the answer looks like here as well. So you're going to type it in just like that. The comma between the 18,900 is not necessary. You can type it in just like this. Okay. Continuing with this question right here. It says you cannot make enough profit if you sell the kayak for less than $375. What will the average sale price be? So from this equation, I know that you got that one correct, but from this equation, we should still be able to plug in let me type the y value, the intercept value there again. I should be able to type in the input of 375, and it should give me negative 34 times 375 plus 18,900 gives me 6,150. So that is where the 6,150 value comes from. I hope that helps trying to find b. Again, my steps when I try to find b are to plug m and an ordered pair. Whichever ordered pair doesn't matter because you'll get the same b value regardless. So if you want to try for your own self, plug in the 3,600 and 450 here. You'll notice that you get the exact same b value no matter which ordered pair you choose. And you can use that to write your line. I hope that helps.